So ever since I added the guitar to the decor of my studio, I have been asked quite a few times if I can even play the damn thing. And the answer to that is barely. But since many of you have asked me nicely for a song, I guess you get one, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. So let me set up the old bones over here, and we're gonna do this. And the reason for the sunglasses is because pretty sure I'm gonna be embarrassing myself on camera, so I can't even watch. Okay, that's the idea. So I guess we're gonna warm up a little bit first, right? I am rusty, so bear with me here. Guess we'll do some finger picking exercises first, I guess, like. Right, okay, so. What should we do? I really should have thought this through. No, we're not doing that. It's okay. So I'm gonna give you guys one. We should do something. Do something super cheesy. Okay. Here we go. How's this? Looking around the room, I can tell that you are the most beautiful girl in the room. Ooh, in the whole wide room, yeah. And when you're on the street, depending on the street, I bet you are definitely in the top 3. Good-looking girls on the street, depending on the street, yeah. And when I saw you at my man's place, I thought, why is she doing at my man's place? How did Dave get a hottie like that to a party like this? Good one, Dave. Ooh, you're a legend, Dave. I asked Dave if he's gonna make a move on you. He's not sure. I said, Dave, do you mind if I do? He says he doesn't mind, but I could tell he kinda minds. But I'm gonna do it anyways. I see you standing over there by the stereo. I dim the lights down to very low. Here we go. 'Cause you're so beautiful, beautiful. You could be a waitress, yeah. Chicka, chicka, ah. They say you could be an air hostess in the 60s. You're so beautiful. You could be a part-time model. And then I seal the deal. I'm coming over to my dance moves. It's 12:02, just me and you, and 7 other dudes around you on the dance floor. I draw you near, let's get out of here. Let's get in the cab. I'll buy you a kebab, and I can't believe that I'm sharing a kebab with the most beautiful girl I have ever seen with a kebab. And why don't we leave? We can go to my house so we can feel each other up on my couch. Oh no, I don't mind taking it slow. No, yeah. 'Cause you're so beautiful, like a tree. And you're so beautiful, like some nice ceramics or something. You're so beautiful, beautiful. You could be a part-time model, but you probably still have to keep your normal job. Part-time model. spend part of your time modeling and part of your time next to me. And next to me, girl, yeah. I suppose the rest of your time you'll probably be doing your normal job. All right, there you go. Another embarrassing upload onto the internet. He says he doesn't mind, but I could tell he kinda minds, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I see you standing over there by the stereo.